Hello friends, in previous lecture we have studied applications of division algorithm. We will continue application of division algorithm in this session also. This is our lecture number 9. So take the example. So that square of any integer is of form 3k or 3k plus 1. So that square of any integer is of form 3k or 3k plus 1. So that n belongs to Z. Applying division algorithm to n and 3, there exists some QR belongs to Z such that n is equal to 3q plus r, where 0 less equal r less than 3. Implies n is equal to 3q plus 3q 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 for some q belongs to Z. If n equal to 3q, then n square is equal to 3q square is equal to 9 times q square is equal to 3 times 3q square is equal to 3k. For k is equal to 3q square belongs to Z. If n is equal to 3q plus 1, then n square is equal to 3q plus 1 bracket square, which is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. This is written as 3 times 3q square plus 2q plus 1, which is equal to 3k plus 1. For k is equal to 3q square plus 2q belongs to Z. If n equal to 3q plus 2, then what is your n square? N square is equal to 3q plus 2 bracket square. Taking square, we will get 9 times q square plus 12q plus 4. I can write this as 3 times 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3k plus 1. For k is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1 belonging to Z. From these cases, n square is equal to 3k or 3k plus 1 for some k belongs to Z. The square of any integer is of form, thus square of any integer is of form 3k or 3k plus 1. 3k or 3k plus 1. Next example. Show that cube of any integer is of form 9k plus 1 or 9k plus 8. So that cube of any integer is of form 9k plus 1 or 9k plus 8 or 9k plus 8. Again, we will apply division algorithm to n and 3. Applying division algorithm to n and 3, there exists some QR belongs to Z such that n is equal to 3q plus r, where 0 less equal r less than 3, implies n is equal to 3q plus 1, 3q, 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 for some q belongs to Z. For n equal to 3q, what is your n cube? 3 cube into q cube is equal to 3 into 3 square into q cube is equal to 3k. K is equal to 3 square into q square belongs to Z. n is equal to 3q plus 1. Your n square is equal to 3q plus 1 bracket square, cube. By using binomial expansion, we will get this to be 3q bracket cube plus 3 times 3q bracket square plus 3 times 3q plus 1 plus 1. Then I can write this as 9 in bracket, I have to take this as 9k. So 9 into this, okay, 9 in bracket. I will get here 3q cube plus 3 into 3 square. Okay, 3 square is taken outside, 3q square plus q plus 1, which is equal to 9k plus 1. K is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q belongs to Z. n equal to 3q plus 2. We will get n cube is equal to 3q plus 2 bracket cube. Again on same line, we will get 3 cube into q cube plus 3 times 3q square into 2 plus 3 times 3q into, this is your 2 square plus 2 cube, that is 8. 2 cube is nothing but 8. I have to show that it is nothing but 9k plus 8 type. 9k plus 8. So if I take, this is 3 into 3, this is 3 into 3 square, this is this. So 9 times 3 into q square plus 9, 3 times, sorry, here q cube, this is q square into 2 again, plus this 3 into 3, 9, 4q plus 8 is equal to 9k plus 8, k is equal to 3 cube plus 6 q square plus 4q belongs to z, belongs to z. So from these cases, from those cases, these cases, n cube is equal to 3k, 9k, 9k plus 1 or 9k plus 8 for some k belongs to Z. Hence the result. Thus the result is proved. Next example. Show that n into n plus 1 is divisible by 2 for any n belongs to Z. So let n belongs to Z. Applying division algorithm to n and Z, to n and 2, there exists QR belongs to Z such that n is equal to 2q plus r, 0 less equal r less than 2, implies n is equal to 2q or 2q plus 1 or some q belongs to Z. If n is equal to 2q, then n into n plus 1 is equal to 2q into 2q plus 1 is equal to 2k for k is equal to q into 2q plus 1 belongs to Z. If n is equal to 2q plus 1, then your n into n plus 1 is nothing but 2q plus 1 into 2q plus 2, which is nothing but 2 times 2q plus 1 into q plus 1 is equal to 2k. K is equal to 2q plus 1 into q plus 1 belongs to Z. This implies n into n plus 1 is multiple of 2 and hence divisible by 2 for any n belongs to Z. For any n belongs to Z. Next example. If n is odd integer, then show that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. If n is odd integer, then show that n square is divisible by n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. So let n belongs to Z be odd. Implies n is equal to 2k plus 1 for some k belongs to Z. For some k belongs to Z. Therefore, your n square is equal to 2k plus 1 bracket square. This is nothing but 2k 4k square plus 4k plus 1. Therefore, your n square minus 1 is equal to 4 into k plus 1, which is equal to 4 into 2 times k dash, since k into k plus 1 is even. Implies k plus 1 is equal to 2k dash for k dash belongs to Z, and which is nothing but 8 times k dash. This implies 8 divides n square minus 1 for odd integer n. Odd integer n. Next example, find all integer n such that n square plus 1 is divisible by n plus 1. Find all integers n such that n square plus 1 is divisible by 1 is divisible by n plus 1. Solution. Let n be integer, n be an integer such that n divides n square plus 1. Observe that such that n plus 1 divides this. Observe that n square minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into n plus 1, implies n plus 1 divides n square minus 1. From 1 to 1 and 2, n plus 1 divides n square plus 1 minus n square minus 1. If A divides B, A divides C, implies A divides B plus C, comma B minus C, Bx plus Cy for any xy belonging to Z. That result we have proved. So if I take x and y, x is 1, y is minus 1, we are getting this, and therefore your n plus 1 divides this n square will let cancel, n plus 1 divides 2. So therefore n plus 1 is equal to, what are divisors of 2? Plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. Implies n is equal to, if I take n equal to minus 2, we'll get minus 3. If I take minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, if I take minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, 0, and 2 minus 1, that is 1. Are integers such that n plus 1 divides n. N square plus 1. If I put n equal to 0, 0 divides 1 divides 1. If I take minus 3 plus 1. Okay. So these are only 4 integers for which n plus 1 divides n square plus 1. Divides n square plus 1. Okay. So with this discussion, we'll stop this session here. Thanks for listening lecture carefully. Bye bye.